Hello everyone. In this session, I want to tell about the conversion of binary number into decimal. Binary to decimal conversion. Binary to decimal conversion. So first, let us take one example for this conversion. Let you take one binary number. Let you take one binary number 110.101. This is the binary number. This number can be formed by the combination of zeros and ones. Hence, it is the binary number, and at the suffix of this number we are writing with 2. So, this is the binary number. Now, we are going to convert this binary number into decimal format. So, first, here you have to mark the positional weights of each bit here. Here how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has two parts. One is integer part and another one is fractional part. Each and every bit of this number having its own positional weight. That means as this is the binary number, its positional weight is 2 to the power of 0. Its positional weight is 2 to the power of 0. This has 2 to the power of 1. Its positional weight is 2 to the power of 2. Its positional weight is 2 to the power of 3. Its positional weight is 2 to the power of 4. It is 2 to the power of 5. That is the integer part. We have to mark the positional weights of each and every bit which are existing integer part as well as fractional part. Now we are coming to the fractional part. The positional weight of this bit, fractional part, 2 to the power of minus 1, and its positional weight is 2 to the power of minus 2, and its positional weight is 2 to the power of minus 3. The first step is we have to mark the positional weight of all bits. Positional weights of all bits. Now, to evaluate the value of the bit, to evaluate the value of each and every bit, there is a formula, that is digit into base to the power of position. Digit into base to the power of position. To evaluate, to calculate the value of each and every bit, there is a bit. The value of each and every bit can be calculated by using this formula, digit into base to the power of position. Now, we are going to calculate the values of each and every bit here. Now here, the leftmost bit is 1. Here what is the weight? Positional weight is 2 to the power of 5. So bit digit into 1 into 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 plus what is the next bit? 1. Digit into base to the power of position, 2 to the power of 4 plus here what is the bit? Digit 0. 0 into what is its position? 2 to the power of 3. Next bit is 1. 1 into what is its positional weight? 2 to the power of 2. Base to the power of position, 2 to the power of 2 plus 1. 1 into what is its positional weight? 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. That is about the integer part. Now we are coming to the fractional part. Plus, here, what is the bit here? What is the digit here? 1. 1 into, what is its positional weight? 2 to the power of minus 1. 2 to the power of minus 1. The second bit is 0. Plus 0 into, what is its positional weight? 2 to the power of minus 2. Plus, the last bit is 1. What is its positional weight? 2 to the power of minus 3. You have to simplify this expression. 1 into 2 to the power of 5 means 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the power of 5 means 32. Plus 1 into 2 to the power of 4 means 16. Plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 means 8. Plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 means 4. Plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 means 2. Plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. That means 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Plus 1 into 2 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 1. Plus 0 into 2 to the power of minus 2 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 2. Plus 2 to the power of minus 3 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 3. Now you have to simplify this expression. 1 into 32 plus 1 into 16 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 2 to the power of 1 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 1 by 8. What is 1 by 8? 0.125. 1 by 2 cube means 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 0.125. Now you have to add all these values. 32 plus 16, 48. 48 plus 4, 52. 52 plus 2, 54. Plus 1, 55. 32, 48. 48 plus 4, 52, 54, 55. 0.5 plus 0.125 means 0.625. That is base time. So, first of all, whatever the binary number given, you have to mark the positional weight of each and every bit, and you have to add the bits and positional weight. You have to calculate all the values of the bits with the formula digit into base to the power of position and add. Finally, you can get this equivalent decimal value. This is the process of converting the binary number into decimal number. In the similar way, you have to practice more binary numbers to decimal ones. Okay, thank you.